are live early morning here from Swansea, Massachusetts as we get ready for the Swansea Summer Slam as the Wildfire face off against the roadie Wave Runners. Hello everyone, my name is Cameron Simpson in the booth all by myself today. Parker's out on a tournament, wish him the best of luck as always. The final Wildfire tournament of the season. And we get ready to get the action under the way here from Swansea. The Roadrunners looked pretty good in warm-ups. Who knows what to expect this tournament? 3 games today, final pool play ever for the Wildfire, as they will not have another tournament this season. This is it, the farewell of the year, as we get ready to get action underway from Swansea. All right, here we go. Let's take a look at our starting pitcher. That is Kingsley Gragan, starting up on the mound today. She will kick us off against the Wave Runners, and heat will be a big deal today. The weather here in Swansea is going to be hot, into the high 80s potentially. So we'll be watching weather all weekend long as we get heat, and that can affect these players. Not only your players, your catchers, your pitchers. We had a very hot scrimmage on Wednesday, and we'll get into that as well. So hot that they might even go down to an hour and 15-minute time limits today instead of the normal hour and 30 to cool down the runners and keep everybody nice and cooled off. So that's the action. Here we go. Time for the Treehouse first pitch. Here on the first base line, and we are underway. The Treehouse first pitch is away, swing and a miss, strike one. Kingsley and Selena both pitched in that scrimmage on Wednesday. Again, that was hot, and I mean, I don't think we've ever played a tournament like this, pass ball, that's been this warm, has been this hot. You know, it will be a factor. Right now, we're nice. It's nice and shady where we are. But that doesn't mean that that's going to be like that for the whole day. You know, eventually, 12-up game, there's the ball. That will go to Allison on the way to first. It's a pass ball. And the runner's on her way to second as Chloe retrieves the ball, throws to the pitcher. It's a single with an error, and the leadoff runner gets to second. Watching the runner on second there. 2 umpires for today's game. Pretty impressed by that by Swansea, giving us 2. Appreciate that down low. The runner takes the leave, and Selena's going to run out, make sure she doesn't go. And you don't want her going there. There's a hit. It's a pop-up to Natalia, who will get a nice catch. A lot of action so far, 1 out. And the outfield gives a lot of room here. This is a fence, so that's nice. You can hit a home run, but the field is pretty deep, so it's going to be rough. Yeah, Kingsley! Our runner gets to third on the steal. Comes the pitch, that's low, it's a pass ball, here comes the runner, she is safe, 1-0. Here comes the pitch, inside, 5th batter, nobody on, 1-0 game. There's a strike. There's an out. I'm sorry, that was the 4th batter, I believe. Now we're on the 5th batter. Just missed a little low. Coach just telling the outfield, give us some space. You know, a ball that goes past you to the fence is going to be a home run. You're going to see pass balls today that go past the outfield will result in a run. Swings. Just missed there. There's a hit. That will go to Kenzie, and he will get past her to the outfield, Addie. And they will get their cutoffs. There's Allison with the ball, and she'll run it in. On the handoff. It's the runner on first, though, with a single. Ooh, good miss. There's another hit. This one will go foul. See, our fans are moving. The sun must be coming out near the fence. The pitch, that's high. Runner's on her way. The throw down to Kenzie, who will get the stop. Is she off the base? And they're going to call time, so she is good. But nice work by Kenzie to try to get there. But, I mean, if we got her earlier, we could have got her now. I mean, that's all we had to get that tag off. Kingsley with the pitch. Ooh, ooh. Got one side, Selena checking the leave. The runner's making her way to third. Selena will eat it and throw it back to first. It's a walk. Runner on third and first. One runner in scoring position. Pitch from Kingsley. The runner's on her way. So it's two runners in scoring position now. Swing and a miss. So far, a 7-minute, about a 6-minute inning. And on their way, here's the throw. She is safe. That's the second run scored. It's a 2-0 ball game. The high pitch he's calling today. Wildfire get home team, so that's good. At least we get that home team advantage here. So 2-0. Nothing this team cannot come back from. There's a hit to Mackenzie to first for the third out. So 2-0 so far. The Wildfire get ready to get some hits, or as we like to call them, some rips. We'll be right back. All right, back here as the Wildfire get ready to hit. It's Selena with the leadoff batter here. We watched the pitcher in warm-ups. Seems to be pretty good. Here we go. Comes the pitch. Down low, she'll take for 1 ball. It's Kenzie on deck, Chloe on double. Comes the pitch. Ooh, calls it a strike. One. Down low, pass ball, 2 balls, 1 strike. Nothing. Wildfire down after 2 passed balls and 2 steals in the first inning. Nice catch by the catcher there. Down low, and Selena's on her way to first. Selena gets the walk, and now Mackenzie's up. Comes the pitch up high, and Selena's on her way. Selena gets the second. Runner second, no outs. That's one runner in scoring position. Here's the pitch up high, and Selena's on her way again. Mackenzie's ahead in the count. Here we go. Swing and a miss. You got to swing at those. Umpires calling the high ones today. It's a runner on third. That's a hit. This will go to the shortstop on the way to first. One out, but an RBI. It's a 2-1 game. Selena made her way home. Now it's Chloe's chance with one out. That's the pitch. That's low. Swing and a miss. 1-1. She'll take this one. They'll take it foul. I think they were trying to get that one fair. Here's the pitch for Chloe. Goes up high. Another one up high. She's definitely throwing fast. But it's just not hitting the strike zone. Catcher's pretty good back there too, able to stop him. Chloe will swing at it, and 2 outs. Oh, it's the 4-batter Grace Dono's turn. Grace doing pretty well in that 4-hole all season. Definitely her spot here. Able to hit the ball pretty well. There's the swing. They have to definitely go after those high ones. The umpire calling it all day, so definitely no problem with the swing there. Two strikes. Pitcher's throwing some nice pitches when they're online. That one is not. She's missing high. That's what she's missing. swing and a miss. The Wildfire cut the lead, though, 2-1 as we head to the second. 80 degrees so far on Swansea. Feels like 85, and it's going to get as high as 94. All right, here we go. That's a pop-up to the outfield to Addie. Oh, she'll drop it. The runner will stay at first, though. All right, well, great opportunity there. Great try by Addie in our outfield. Dropped it, though, so runner gets the first. Pitch, there's a strike, and the runner stays. It's Chloe starting on first. We got Allison in right field, and in right center is Addie Staney. Lauren is in left center. Here's on there, way on the throw. Kenzie tries to get the tag off, just can't do it. Cassidy's in left field. It's Mackenzie on second, and Natalia on short. The race on third. Selena catching, and Kingsley on the mound. It's the pitch, a little high. I'm gonna run her down. Here comes the pitch. Another pop up. This one will go foul. And 1K right there for Kingsley. One runner in scoring position with one out. It's a hit, it's a ground ball. Kingsley gets a slight bobble to first for one out. Runner turns to go three, but it will hold. 2 outs. It's the pitch, that's low, and then the runner's on her way. With a large backstop, she is safe, 3-1. Two outs. Backstop big. Last weekend in Dartmouth, pretty big backstop too. It's hard to get those. Here's a hit. It will go to Mackenzie. Oh, and it goes past her, and the runner's safe at first. Kingsley taking a second, and the batter's out of the box as well. That one misses low. Swings, and that one was high. Pump fake to first. Will hold the runner. So it's 2 outs with a 1-1 count. I think. We'll see. It's a pitch, Kingsley. That's the strike zone. The runner's on her way. Here's the throw, and it will get past Natalia. But another try. Great throw down by Kingsley. Sorry. Selena working hard behind the plate right now. I like to see it, especially with the heat. Comes the pitch, swing and a miss. And that will be strike 3, but they let up 1 run. So it's a 3-1 game to the bottom of the second. Second. All right, it's Kingsley up in the 5th hole. I'm going to keep the action going. Wildfire down by 2 runs. All right, here we go. Ball's gonna come down. Just giving. Catcher talks to the pitcher real fast, and we get ready to go. Rip, rip, rip. Pitch, that's low. There's a strike. Tie. So 2-1. Three balls, 1 strike, or 2-1. I don't know, I can't see from back here. That hasn't been there, but whatever. Tried to change up. Or it could have hit her leg. I want to say she tried to change up. Are we going to see Allison with the umpire in her way? I love when that happens. What's up high? I think Allison forgot her sign. Two. Active bullpen. We'll get to that in a second with Carl in the dugout. Swing and a miss, strike 3. Carl? Yeah, you mentioned that, an active bullpen right there. That is Selena warming up. Let's see if she'll get some action in this game. Wildfire down by 2. Here's the pitch. And it's going to hit Natalia. Or is that Allie? Oh, it's Allie still. I thought she was out. Now it's Natalia. Here comes Natalia. She's safe. And the runner, Allie, gets all the way to third. What a great base run in there by the Wildfire. Great work by Natalia, able to get the first. Move Allison as well. Now Lauren's up. And Natalia makes it to second. Oh. High. Good rotation there. Rip, rip, rip. Here we go. It's a pass ball, and Allison is safe. And she makes a dive off to first. The umpire's making his way. I think to make sure that she's okay. That was a weird, awkward thing that happened at the plate. Natalia gets the third. It's a 1-run game. Lauren's still up. Swing and a miss. Four outfielders this tournament last week and differed upon the coaches. You could have done 3. A lot of people did 4. It was weird in this games. This one's set in stone. Oh! But that's how they'll run it this one 4, which is great for us. Addie Staney up now. She's been hitting pretty well. Came alive last tournament. Hit pretty well in the Wednesday scrimmage. Hit pretty well. Basically all that we've seen her. It's a fast ball. Here comes Natalia to tie it up. She's safe. It's a 3-3 game. Addie's on the ball. Let's see if she can hit it here. Rip, rip chant coming from the dugout. Love that one. Ooh! Low, low, low. Same pitch. It was a little lower, but... And that one's low too. I think she ties it up here 2-2. Next 2 strikes. There's the pitch. Oh my God! Alright, we'll be right back. 3-3 game as we head to the, I want to say 4th. That one's going and it will go out of play.
Oh, I thought I was gonna hit it.
Yeah, no, mine's pretty good. But we only get to, whenever we go here, it's the only time we get to dive. So.
Okay, did she move at some point? Because we thought she was right there before.
She's been back.
Oh my God.
Did we move?
Yes, you guys are.
Because it looked like she was at like where the second hole is.
So,
And first off, we really got to go like this.
I'm missing the media tent today though, which is kind of a bummer. Nope, no Parker. That's very disappointing.
All right, let's go.
Why? That one goes high. So Kings. This game, but I really have to respect them. Oh, that's a line drive that will find the outfield. Busey grabs it. The runner is held at first. Great work by the outfielders.
That was Natalia in the next second. Just saying.
Nice work, Busey!
Oh, jeez.
What? Oh, ha! I see now.
Just
Like what?
nothing. I thought all three of us, me, Mom, and my dad, all thought that this was the other tournament. We thought it was Bridgewater. I thought this was Bridgewater last year, but
This is Swansea. What? She's out.
I know.
No, she's safe. Natalia, nice try, girls. Nice try. Keep it up. Keep it up. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Strike, strike, strike.
do you have a clear shot of Allie just like running through like this?
Yeah, that was weird. I don't know if I have the shot of it. Way to work back there, Selena! That's me?
I'm gonna be making a bet later.
Why are you saying it like that?
Addison, no.
doing?
Addison, no.
What?
That's another hit. This one will go to Natalia to first, and it's an out, but the runner's on her way to Selena, and it goes through, and it's 4-3. Addison, your teeth are blue. That's so good, by the way. Have you ever had one of those?
Well, let me get a drink and
That's what I got. I didn't get anything else because we had breakfast at my aunt's. Those pancakes she made were so good.
My dad had one of my extra
They
dry
taste like
corn
bacon
muffins that I make.
and
They were so good. They were so good.
so much better than
Yeah, it's only 10 minutes away.
What? Oh, wait. Yeah, for breakfast, we were gonna eat corn muffins that I made, but my dad had
What time
one.
did you guys have to wake up?
I don't know. I think I don't know when everyone else woke up. But someone
woke up
came
at-
in and told me to wake up and I didn't.
We woke up at 7.
Until my dad came in and was like, hey, we're leaving in 15 minutes. So I got up, got dressed, brushed my teeth, and then did my hair in the car because like I had time to do it. I just didn't want to.
I woke up early.
This is another hit. This one will go foul.
I woke up.
What?
You guys are dumb.
Oh, okay. Well, she was sitting like this.
You guys are dumb. Really. How about you guys? So Wildfire! Woo! Rip, rip, strike, strike. Oh, we don't want rip, rip. So strike, strike.
Yeah, Kingsley! Woo! Yeah!
Okay. No.
Yeah! Let's go, let's go.
Yeah, let's do this!
Aloha. It's hot outside today. Yeah, we had to wake up at 7.
I don't know.
With family. Amelia. It's fun. So it's just.
Wait, Abby, did you see how our parents are like talking? They're just like, I don't know, they're just talking, but the other team's parents are sitting right next to them, just like looking at them, glaring. What did I just think?
Nice work, Kingsley. Nice work. Let's go. Let's get one here.
What was that?
The Wildfire get one. Let one run go. It's 4-3 as we head to potentially time limit. Coming up. All right, it's one strike for Cassidy. So wait.
I do have to figure that out.
As long, the only thing. Or that bird, right?
The only. I could probably drive.
They have a crazy day, but I don't think I do. No, I think play up.
Well, I have to work around. Apparently, I have a cheer practice, and it's like my second one, and the first one is only like
Take the L.
getting to know people. So I was like, Mom, I'm not going. If I'm gonna do something that night, I'm not gonna go.
Getting to know people. Seriously, they
no,
do that.
The first practice, no, but
Let's get to know people.
No, okay, that's the first practice. But I mean, Thursday is like the second practice, which is actually our first practice. But it's just like getting to know what people's skills.
Go, Nikki! Who? Oh my.
You can't do stunts or anything because you need.
I'm sorry, I don't.
10 hours of like training.
That's
and,
the
like,
one
that's
sport
thing
I
I've
just
ever
don't
heard.
understand. I'm sorry, I just
The
don't get it.
only fun thing is competitions. Games are the dumbest thing.
I'm never.
You're literally standing there going.
I'm never gonna get it. I'm never gonna understand it. It's just. I'll stick to figuring out volleyball, but I cannot figure
Well,
out.
next year, for the power team, they're planning on.
Shepherd Hill has it too, right? Shepherd Hill has a volleyball team, don't they?
I'm gonna do it, but not this year.
I might be able, if serious, I might be filming soccer games for Shepherd Hill next year. That'll be fun. Plus, I'm gonna try getting a communications program. You know what? And I had my first full season of hockey reffing this year. It's gonna be sick.
All right, campers, today's challenge is gonna be a hard one. We're in a world.
I had something to say, but.
All right, campers, today's challenge is gonna be a hard one.
What? You sound like when you're talking to the camera.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
So Selena's up, and Nikki gets all the way to third, which is pretty good there. And it's on deck is Mackenzie. I think Mackenzie's 0 for 1 today.
Who's on this? Wait, what happened? I wasn't watching.
Here we go.
What happened? Did Nikki strike out?
Here comes the pitch. That's up high. Nikki's on third.
Good eye!
Good eye, ball. Good eye, ball.
Emily's not very into it today.
Because it's 100 degrees.
Yeah, but she's like, in general, she was so tired. The kept going over and asking her if we could paint her a little picture, and she just sat there and didn't answer.
Here comes the pitch. There's a, ooh. Good eye. And she's on her way to second.
That would make it third, honestly. I don't know what to do.
We have a runner on third.
Yeah, take the elevator.
And they're going to talk to them they're going to get it. They're going to have a conversation right now.
I think that was their plan. If she threw it to second, Nikki was going. So, yeah.
That's fine. Whatever. They're going to have to deal with me talking. All right, so they're going to have that meeting on the plate, on the mound.
Okay, please.
Wow.
So it's a 2 runners in scoring position. We're down by 1. What do you think? Let's play a game right now. What do you think the current temperature is?
Where?
If you had to guess.
87.
I'm going to go with...
Are you cheating?
I'm not cheating. I'm pulling it up right now. I'm just taking a guess.
He's cheating.
I'm going to go with... I'm going to go with 80. I'm going to go with 80. and that it feels like 85.
Oh my god.
Oh, it's 83.
Oh wow. I was closer with the 85.
It feels like 88.
You said 87.
Oh yeah, I did.
I said 86.
Hey, but I was closer than it feels like.
As long as the camera doesn't overheat.
88, then I'm gonna think it's 87.
As long as the camera doesn't hit. Come on, Selena, play that cat and mouse game. That's weird.
No, okay, well, she was posing for that.
Did you see the video of the championship game? Wow, look at that. There. When we win this one, we're running out onto the field.
This is my favorite one.
Here comes the pitch. There's a from Kenzie. It will go to the shortstop to first for an out. 1 run in, and that will tie the game back up. 4-4. With Selena on third, Mackenzie with an RBI. So Chloe up, runner on third. It's currently 9:12, so an hour and 15 is 9:15. They might do that because of the heat. That's what we were told. They might only go an hour 15. We're going to talk to coach about that a little more. But 9:30 or 9:20 will be time limit. We'll figure that out in a second. We need to figure out what time limit is, reporters. Because I can't move. Swing and a miss.
We can sit here and talk. You can go. We can sit here and we can
Yeah, no. Well, actually, would you stay in here and watch it? Oh, no one steals it at the end of this inning so I can go run over?
say anything. Well, you turn it off.
I will turn it off. But if they start to go and I'm not back, you gotta hit the red button to turn it back on.
Okay.
But after the end of this inning. Here comes the pitch. Foul ball. This fence doesn't have like the curl things, so it gets a little more difficult. So it is Chloe. Addison.
Okay. Crazy. I know it.
You should show her that crazy lady. The one that's wicked crazy, but I forget who she is.
Came up to me and tapped me on the shoulder. She goes, "Can I tap you for a second?" I'm like, okay. And so you go around. She's like, "I just wanted to let you know." She's like,
It was not nice.
she's like, "I just thought you should know because it was right before the game against them too. I think she was just trying to shake me.
You kicked there.
Because she went over and told all of the girls too. She was like, "Should I go tell her?" And they're like, "No." Like, this is so dumb. She's like, "Okay, I'm gonna."
Addison. Kaylee. You can't.
No,
You
because it was
can't.
a lie anyways.
Yeah, it wasn't true. It's nothing you need
Exactly,
now.
it's not important.
What team?
Okay, so I was a 14 year team. I mean, okay, so there's two.
Are you 16 year this year?
No.
Oh, that's right, because you're.
Because of how.
So does everybody move up and
no,
you sit down?
I might, but other girls might sit down too. But what's it called? They have 15 years. They don't go up straight to 16. They have 12, 15, 14, 15, 16, 17.
Chloe.
Me?
No. Why would I talk to Macy about you?
Because Macy loves.
Exactly.
She does?
Yes.
Who doesn't?
She has like so many pictures with Addie. And
Oh, so.
Lauren. My God.
It's a pop-up. This one, the Chloe show. Grab it. Chloe is a friend of mine. Ow, ow, ow. She makes outs all the time. Ow, ow, ow.
Okay, I will say that has a better ring to it than some of the other ones, but that was still just bad.
Oh, the umpire's so sweaty. Or he threw water on himself.
Probably both.
Here comes the pitch. This was a strike.
Well, to be in this hot.
A little bit before, but he calls it a ball. Hit that ball. I shouldn't be drinking because I. 4-4. Coach Todd said there was 14 minutes left in the time limit.
Wait, how many people are on this team? Because I've never seen this one.
So this game should be over around, what's 14 minutes? Minus 12 minutes. What's 12 minutes from now?
9:32.
So at 9:30, this game should be over. Look at that coach.
You love number.
My parents know what he said.
That, well, yeah, they do. Well, some of them do. Here comes the pitch. This one will go for a strike.
Interesting.
The runner gets back to first. On the throwdown from Selena, tried to do the pickoff play. Good try.
Struggling there? Oh wait, wasn't
You were there.
I was there.
It was so funny.
Interesting.
What?
Better though. His responses are just like top notch.
I miss him. I miss him this weekend. So I think they're going over to the coaches to talk about time limit. Right now it's 4-4, so what happens if we tie?
What's happening next time? They put a runner on second.
Well, but that was because it's playoffs. They won't do that
Okay.
in pool play.
Okay, then they just
I think they
play
just
another
tie,
inning.
but who gets the points? So we only get 1 point out of that. We don't want to tie. Oh, they're gonna pinch run here.
Oh yeah, they're saving Selena.
Oh,
Daddy thinks that we're going to see one of the finals if we make it.
this team?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think the Storm are gonna make it this time. I saw my buddies, the Storm, this morning.
And Daddy also said
I waved.
see Selena.
Oh
Wants them to be
no,
surprised.
no! I will. They'll be very surprised.
What is that? Is that a bird or butterfly?
Kingsley's pitching pretty well. Might see Kurt.
Big butterfly, like a bird.
I want a Barbie for Christmas. You have a Barbie. You give me a prop Barbie. I don't want to see Barbie.
On her way, she's out. What?
What? Oh, they want chicken phone. They make the puppy pie.
Addison, stop! It wasn't that bad. It was pretty close. I think, yeah, he would have because Parker's
You
the.
would have laughed if it came in home.
Exactly.
Yeah, I would have because Parker. Peter. Addison. Can't let you say that, Addison. I dare you to. Hit the ball, hit the ball.
Oh my god, I feel like crack my shoulder.
Oh my god, I could go into the pool right now. Oh, it's too hot. There's a hose over there though. Nice work, Kingsley! Nice work!
Yeah, I know, someone dropped the bucket.
Still
and it's
4-4. Let's go get some runs here.
So we're gonna start that next game, okay? Okay.
So it's Grace up. They're down. It's a 4-4 game here, but we're getting pretty close to the time limit.
Versus 3-4.
We project that will be at 9:30 when we went over to the bench. They told us that's 5 minutes from now. So probably 5 minutes left here in the time. So this could be it because we are the home team. This probably will be the last inning. So one run will win the game most likely. Here comes the pitch. There's a strike. Grateful we kept the morning game. There was a little shade this morning, which was pretty nice. This one's down low, and it will be a ball, so 1-1. It's Grace, Kingsley, then Allison on deck. They're guaranteed up. Then it is Natalia. Natalia, who got that great first single last inning. And here's the foul ball from Grace. Way to get a piece.
What the heck? What the heck, bro?
So Addison, you want to do interviews post game?
Then two. Cute. Hurt.
There's a rip, but it will roll foul.
strawberry.
Allison.
No, yes, you will. No, because I'll have them all over.
That's a rip to the outfield. It will go to the fence. Grace is on her way to second. The outfielder just got the ball. Is going to hit the cutoff, and Grace will hold at second. What a hit.
That girl has wheels. I know.
Let's go, Grace! What a hit.
Oh, my bad. My bad.
Let's take a look at the replay on that one. That one all the way to the fence. Grace able to get the second. That's the lead and run right now as it's a 4-4 game. Now it's Kingsley's turn. Grace is on her way to third. They will not throw it. Grace is a friend of mine. Steal, steal, steal. She steals third all the time. Steal, steal, steal. There's another one. This will go to the shortstop, but here comes Grace. She's safe, and it's a 5-4 game. That doesn't matter. RBI for Kingsley.
What is it?
5-4 us.
Oh, yeah, because we're home.
And it's 9:28, so probably about 2 more minutes here. Now Allie gets up with 1 out. It's up high. Huh? One is great, but 1 and 1 is greater. Comes the pitch for Allison. Ooh, just missed, a little high. Nobody on, 5-4 after a great hit by Grace. They got her to second. And a great RBI for Kingsley. Advanced Grace all the way home. Actually, Grace stole third as well. And gave it the go-ahead run right now. Addison, come here. Figured.
What did she just say?
She said, who do you like more, King or Tennessee? And I said King.
I'm just superior than everything. You know, Drew got braces.
Oh, good for him.
I called him train tracks.
That's right.
But he said, don't you have braces? I go, yeah, but mine are just better, and I have half my front teeth are fake.
I got
so.
it. Look at mine. Invisalign.
Well, my one front tooth, this one, it came off. Like, it didn't come off, but like, it's like.
That's true. You should.
Okay. Going to the bathroom.
Why are we going this way?
That's
You're gonna go through the people warming up?
not even gonna say. That's a little weird. Bye. That's high for Natalia. Allison's on her way to second. This gets a 2-run lead if Allison can stay there. And we are past 9:30, so if that's time limit, this should be game here. There's a strike. It's weird. They had the outfielder go to second on the cover. Second base stayed close to the first. So weird situation here. They have all 3 of their outfielders pretty far left. And then they have one of their outfielders covering right field. Turn is Natalia. Swing and a miss. You gotta slide. You gotta slide. I also thought about going there. Allison got a run earlier today. Here she can make it again. Here we go. Here's the pitch. And there's a strike. 2 outs. Here's Busey. Taking a look at the time right now. And they called the game, and the Wildfire take the win. First win in pool play, 5-4 victory for the Wildfire. Dick Sporting Goods 3 stars of the game. Well, what a play by Natalia, able to get to first base on that great run. She's definitely one of our 3 stars of the game today. Allison had one of the great runs in our go-ahead hit by Grace, and able to get for an amazing run home. Great job by the Wildfire to get the victory, 5-4. We'll be back at noon for another one. Thanks for watching.
You're sponsored by
Hi, we just won the Wildfire game.
Yeah, we're so amazing.
So ask me questions now. I thought you were interviewing.
Oh, you want questions?
Asking questions.
I'm not very good at it.
You really are.
All right, you ready?
I think you played. Great job catching. Great job
I
pitching.
kicked the great game. I just pitched.
Kingsley Gray again, just
Great
pitched.
hit. Okay, bye-bye.
How's the heat affecting things out there today?
I got sweat in my eye.
What do you think? It's hot.
Yeah, Cameron, you wish you weren't here.
Well, it's pretty hot over there
Real
too.
questions.
What do you want? Real questions? What do you want?
Actually, I want it.
Questions. Any questions?
Give us questions.
Okay, pretty intense game. 4-4.
Yeah.
You get in that.
4-5.
What were-
For us. We won.
It was 4. I know, but it was 4-4 in the game, right? You know that last inning. You're ready to go.
Let them score 4?
Yeah, you did.
Tighten your game up.
So what are you guys thinking when we head in to that game 4-4? You're ready to go. You're ready to go. You guys know.
What time is it?
You guys know you had a runner and score.
What time is it? What?
You had a runner.
Time is it?
This is really bad. This is like, it's kind of like the bad pieces on it.
What time is it?
9:40.
Oh, we have till 12. We're amazing.
You guys had a runner and scoring position. You two. On that. What are you guys thinking though, as a catcher, as the pitcher?
You got to catch him with that tag on.
Yeah, short.
It's like that. None of the balls went through my legs.
Good game, Good game, everyone. Grace with a great hit.
What were you feeling when you had that hit? Let me guess. That's what you're gonna say.
Yeah.
Sorry, Kingsley got it.
All right. What about this one? What was the importance of that hit?
Are you videoing? Everything. You got
They're
it all.
interviewing you.
Yeah.
Grace, knowing that you had that winning hit, how does that feel? Congratulations, guys. Go get them in the next game.